Hello little friends. Today we are going to draw and color the numbers from 1 to 10. We are drawing the number 1. Now let's fill in the number 1 with the color red. Very good. Now let's draw the number 2. Let's fill in the number 2 with the color green. Very good. Now we are drawing the number 3. Let's fill in the number 3 with pink. Wow! It looks beautiful! Let's draw the number 4. Let's fill in the number 4 with the color orange. Very good. Now let's draw the number 5. Let's fill in the number 5 with the color blue. Very good. What is the next number? That's right. Let's draw the number 6. Let's fill in the number 6 with lilac. Very good. Now let's draw the number 7. Let's fill in the number 7 with the color yellow. Very good. Now we are drawing the number 8. Let's fill in the number 8 with the color light blue. Very good. It looks beautiful. It's time to draw the number 9. Very good. Now, let's fill in the number 9 with the color brown. And finally, the number 10. Let's fill in the number 10 with the color green. Changing to blue. And then to purple, red, yellow, and back to green. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.